This video is about ATK test. So if you are facilitators and you have this ATK test kit, or if you're a student and you decide to buy it from the school, then you will have this ATK test. The first thing I want to advise you to do is to read the instruction. Alright, so in every ATK test box there should be an instruction. If it's supposed to have both English and Thai, but however in this one we have just only Thai, so I will explain how do we do this. The test kit we have, you can do the test with two ways, by nostril or by saliva. If you look at the back of the package, you will see two QR codes. The first QR code is the link for YouTube of how to do the test with saliva, and on the right hand side is how to do the test with nostril. The video is in Thai. However, if you listen to this and then you watch the video, then you will know what to do. Okay, so the first step that you need to do is clean the surface with alcohol, and then read the instruction if you can read Thai. Now on the box you will see this part, make a hole in it because we need to use it as a stand for this tube. Okay. One thing I forgot to mention, our hand need to be clean too. Okay. So this tube we put it here, right? You see it's as a stand. Now we have this solution. We will open this solution by twisting the tip of it all the way until it came off, and put all the solution inside this tube. Okay, put all the solution inside this tube. This step will be the same if you do saliva and the same if you do nostril shake. So put all this into this tube. Now put this one aside. Let's see what's inside. So you have this suction tube. This is for saliva. You have actually you have another paper in here. Okay, yeah, you have this paper bag. This is to collect your saliva. Okay, and you have this swab stick. This is for nostril. If you do saliva you don't need this. If you do nostril you don't need this too. Okay, and you have the testing tablet in here, which I will open this when I have to do the test. So today I will not show it, but I will show it with the picture instead. Okay. Now if you want to do a nostril, so pick this up and see which side is the cotton, right? So in this case the cotton is here. I'm not sure you can see it or not. Okay, the cotton is here, so we will not touch this part. We will open the package from another part. We'll open it and then pick up the stick outside like this and put in your nose only 2 centimeters, which is something like this. So you put it in and you make a twist 5 to 10 times, and then you remove it from one side, put it in another side, and then do the same thing for 10 times. After that you will put the cotton part inside this tube. Okay, and we will twist the swab stick in here for 5 to 10 times. Then we will squeeze the tube and then pull the swab stick out. Okay, then you close the lid, make a shake a little bit, and then we will drop in the well of this one 3 drops on the well, and then we wait 10 to 15 minutes, and we read the result from there. Okay, I will make another video of how to read the result. Okay. Now this is nostril. One thing that you need to be aware is that if you do nostril, you will feel irritated a bit in your nose. So prepare the tissue beside you in case you sneeze. Right. So now for the saliva, we will use this to collect our saliva. The recommendation is that you do it right after you wake up. So if you can't do that, then what you can do is that when you do the test, make sure that within these 2 hours you haven't eat, you haven't brushed your teeth, you did not use any mouthwash product. Okay, within 2 hours, know that. Now after that, we will bring our saliva out here, put it in here as much as you can, because we need to use this to suck the saliva, right? Then after that, we put the suction tube, this one, right? We press the top part, we put it in, and then release, bring it out, drop in here for 3 drops. Sorry, we drop in here 3 drops as the instruction said. Then we close the lid, and we do the same thing. We put it in the well of the test, and then we wait for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we read the result. Please don't read the result after that, because it might not be accurate. Now the time will be different in if you have different brands, so make sure you check the instruction before you do that. The remaining, what to do with the thing after we do the test, right? So in this one, you can reopen it and fill it with alcohol. You can fill it with alcohol or dishwasher soap, and then close the lid. Okay, and try to put everything in one place, and we write down on the box that this is infection waste, and then put it in a plastic bag, tied it up nicely, and then we throw it away. What we need from this test is the result, and once you got the result, we will write down our name, write down the date that we did the test, and take a photo of that. We will use the photo for the Pan Asia safety form. Okay, thank you.